Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can create a professional email signature on Outlook. This is my Microsoft Outlook and this is on my Lenovo computer. So on the search, you can just search as Outlook and you will get this pop-up or the Outlook mailing box. Okay. And here this is the home page. Okay, at the right top corner you will find this settings gear icon. You need to click on this and here you will find signatures. Tap on this. See here, currently there is no email signature for this Outlook email. So what I'll do is I'll be just creating one now, work, and to create a professional what is this email signature, I'll take the help of Copilot and I'll write something like, see here, a small prompt. You can observe the point. Write example Outlook signature with my name is so, company name is so, and the website and the email ID. And if you want, you can provide some more details like Insta ID, okay, Instagram ID and phone number or whatever it may be. Whichever you have, you can just provide them and ask to build up a professional sort of signature. See here, you can just copy this, sorry, before, okay, I'll be going to the settings, then signatures, okay, work, I'll be pasting it over here. So this is the extra stuff I don't want, and this one also. So this would be my email signature in the Outlook for the next emails. So yeah, at the bottom you can see there is a save option. You need to click on the save option, and for new messages, this step is important. For new messages from now on, I want work should be the attachment of the signature, and for replies also work should be the attachment. So I'll be clicking on save and I'll be just closing this and I'll be testing with the new email when I want to compose. See here, this signature has been added. So this is how you can create email signature in the Microsoft Outlook. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.